Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Alright, yes guys, this is just a minor upgrade on the C-17 Globemaster cargo plane, and yes, it's very easy actually, and later you will see how I did the upgrade. Because guys, actually, to tell you honestly, yeah, I forgot to put this on the first video that I made for this on how to build this, and also these things on the a wing part. I actually don't know what this called, and also for this, but I saw this in the pictures, so of course I should have added. And yes guys, it significantly made this C-17 looks cooler and looks better. Yeah, very simple update but very effective. All right, so this is it guys, and yeah, well, of course, let us try this again. So I will uncheck anchor now. All right. Oh, look at that. This is actually a very huge plane. Look at that. Beautiful, right? So again, it's very smooth. All right. Very roundy. Lots of round objects. And look at the engines. Well detailed engine, right? Beautiful engine. Some thrusters. Oh, what happened there? Look at the nose part. Beautiful, right? But the interior is not yet done. Well, that's gonna be for the next video, for the next update of this C-17. And yes, I will also add some landing gears, and yes, this ramp door, I will make it functional. Because guys, I actually want to upgrade it, but you know, I'm still enjoying the plane, right? Because if I put more mechanics on this plane, the plane will be heavy. And look how stable this plane is now. Very stable, right? Beautiful plane. So as you can see, the update on this plane, yeah, it's way better now. Looks cool, right? So yeah guys, time for you to update this. By the way, if you don't have this yet, all right, I will put the link on the description on how to build this magnificent cargo plane. So that you know, after building it, then proceed or go back to this video and then build the update on this. All right. So thank you for watching, guys. So enjoy building this. Time for you to flex this, your friends. Bye bye.